this is my drone. This is the first test flight, I guess, kind of, with propellers on it. I spent several hours today wiring it together so that it wouldn't, so there were no obstructions to get little wires. I don't know if I pointed out to you yet, the ESCs are down here. So I strapped them onto the main part of the body. Anyway, so, and I have to plug it in with the 5 volts because it's having issues with the voltage coming from this 4S battery. Actually, let's plug in the ESCs first. I don't know if it's going to try. Okay, let's just try like that. Woo! That's a good breeze. Nice. Well, the nuts are already vibrating themselves off. And whatever. Should I try to actually let it hover for a second and see if it wants to lift off a little bit?
Sure.
Oh my gosh, that nut is just, you can't even see it in the video, but that nut on this little screw right here is just coming straight up as it vibrates. It's like the resonant frequency of whatever. It just makes it go straight up. So maybe I'll just take that off. Where the heck did it go now?
I like this view right here because
Yeah.
it's got the controller in it and the drone. Do it from down here so you can see.
All right. Well, it actually flew. It was a little bit tethered, but it got off the couch.
Woo!
Yeah, baby. Let's try it one more time down here. I'm gonna obviously have to trim it a bit. That sounds mean, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
Well, I just have to I can actually like take it outside or something if these are 3D, for whoever I show this to, this whole thing is 3D printed, the frame is 3D printed, and these propellers are 3D printed. These are the front ones, and that's the back. Maybe let's make sure it actually, I mean, I have done a lot of testing, but we can make sure it knows which way is forward. Oh, crap. Okay. Woo! Well, they're 3D printed. What do you expect?
Here, let's show them. Hold on one second. The propellers just snapped off and went
And more nuts.
all over the place.
More nuts all over the place, and propellers everywhere. Propeller blades. Cool.
Any last words?
No, that's a good first flight.
Way to
Yeah.
be.
High five.